everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you're new, you're welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Guys, we are talking about Uzalo. Finally, Gabsile is back and they have narrated how her life was saved by Uzalo. Guys, Gabsile has been plotting the perfect opportunity to come back, expecting cries of jubilation. She is surprised when the church members aren't that happy about her return. They see her as a murderer who killed Nomcebo and Kehla, but Gabsile begs them to let the past be and give her a second chance. When she realized that she is not accepted, she decided to pretend as if she has amnesia. She don't remember anything from her past. But guys, funny enough, Gabsile remembered that she used to call Nkunzi punctual and that Sibonelo is her son. When Gabsile realized that her friends are not buying her memory loss story, she decided to befriend Pastor Gwala. She knows that with Pastor Gwala in her side, community would be reluctant to push her away. Pastor Gwala believes everything that Gabi is telling him, and I think, guys, she will even stay in his house. Guys, Gabsile isn't going to prison anytime soon. She also told the police that she don't remember anything from her past. As if getting cold shoulder from the community isn't bad enough for Gabsile, she soon gets rejected by the only person she cares about, her son Sibonelo. Sibonelo is angry that Gabsile left him grieving instead of coming back and free him from the pain of losing her. Sibonelo knows Gabsile and he knows that she's lying about not remembering anything that happened in the past. Trying to convince everyone Gabsile will start to do charity work with kids to prove that she has changed. Guys, this is all I have for today. Please leave your comment below and share your opinion. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.